Good morning, grade 3rd. So it's time to study mathematics. So our topic of the day is Introduction to Multiplication and Repeated Addition. Hope you are going to learn a lot of things from the video. So let's get started.
So multiplication simply means to increase something. How we can increase something through multiplication? Let's learn it. Okay. So here I'm going to show you an example. So you can see in the picture, if I have 3 boxes, if I put 12 mangoes in each box, how many mangoes do I have? This boy is asking. If I have 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and if I kept 12 mangoes in one box there are 12 mangoes, then the boy is asking to the girl that how many mangoes do I have in 3 boxes? So the girl replied, this is very simple. You have 36 mangoes in all. How she did it? Well, Sneha calculated it correctly. What Sneha did? Sneha added 12 3 times. 12 plus 12 plus 12 is equals to 36, which was absolutely correct, right? But there was a very easy way of doing the same. यही चीज़ करने का एक बहुत easy सा तरीका है. वो क्या है? What you can do? You can multiply 12 with 3. You can get the same answer which Sneha told, right? If you did 12 into 3, you have 12 mangoes in each and you have 3 boxes. 3 into 12 is equals to 36, which is equal to Sneha's answer. Now you will think of that this is also the correct answer. This is also the correct answer. How? Right? This method which Sneha did, she added 12 3 times. This method is known as repeated addition. What this method is called as? Repeated addition. And when we multiply it, when we shorten the method, जब हम उसको short कर लेते हैं, then we call it multiplication, right? So multiplication is simply known as repeated addition also. Multiplication को हम और क्या कह सकते हैं? Repeated addition. Here 12 is called the multiplicand, right? 12 is known as multiplicand. 3 is called the multiplier. 3 is called the multiplier with which we multiplied the thing, right? And 36, which the answer came, it is known as the product, right? So let's move on to the questions first. Okay, so our question is fill in the blanks. Here we can see that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is repeated addition, right? 3 we have added 7 times. So what we'll write here? 3 multiplied by 7, because we have written 3 7 times, right? So 7 3s are, we all know, 7 3s are 21, right? So similarly, moving on to the next question, here we know that 7 into 3 is equals to 21 because we know the table, right? But here 21, let's see how many times it is. 1 2 3 4. So 21 is repeating 4 times, right? But we don't know the table of 21. Do we know? No. So we are going to find the answer of this later on. Okay, so let me tell you a few more things about it, which are its properties and the method of multiplication. So let's have a look on the method of multiplication first, then we'll move on to the properties. Okay. So for this, the very mandatory thing is that you have to learn the tables, right? Now 21 21 21 21 means 21 into 4. We know repeated addition. Now we'll get to know how we have to do it. We'll write 21 separately. We have to multiply it by 4. So we all know that we start writing from the ones place and we'll put a cross, which is a sign of multiplication, right? Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this is the very easiest method of multiplication. What you have to do, you have to multiply 4 with 1 and 4 with 2. You have to multiply 4 with both the numbers, right? Therefore you'll get the answer. If you will add 21 21 21 21 4 times, 21 21 21 21, if you'll add 4 of them, he'll still get the same answer. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Answers are same. But this is the more easiest method, right? We just have to multiply 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and we got the answer. We just don't have to add all these things, right? So here I'm going to show you one more step, one more question how to do. So next question is 87 plus 87 plus 87 plus 87 plus 87. 87 how many times? 5 times. So 87 multiplied by 5, right? Now how we'll write it here? 8 7, write them apart, okay? Then 5 in the ones place, ones tens, ones tens, right? Now we just have to read the table. 7 5s are 35. So as we have studied in addition, 35 ones place will be written here and tens place will be going on to the head of the next number. So this 8 5s are 40, right? Now again 40, ones place we'll write here 4 40 plus 3 43. So we are not going to put this 43, right? Because 3 we have to add because it's on the head of that number. So the answer will be 435. I think one digit multiplication is clear to you, right? So let me give you one more question of this. Next question is 58 plus 58 plus 58 is equals to what? So 58 is how many times? First of all, we have to check that. 58 into 3, right? So now we'll multiply. 5, 8, 3. Okay, multiply. 8 3s are 8 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. 2 I'll keep here because 2 is in the ones place. 4 we have already written here, ones place. 2 is in the tens place, we have already kept in the head, right? 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 we have to add. What it will be? 5 plus 2 7, 17. So we'll directly write 17 because we don't have any other number here. अगर यहाँ पे एक और number होता then 1 we'll put at the head, right? But here is no number like that, so this will be our answer. I think that's clear to you. Now let's move on to its properties, okay? So here are 3 properties of multiplication. First one is when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Product means answer. Always remember, answer will always be 0. When a number is multiplied by 0. Whenever, kitna bhi bada number ho, when it is multiplied with 0, the answer will always be 0. 8 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. 37 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. 1735 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. Okay, let's come on to the next one. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is always the number itself. For example, 9 ones are 9. If we are multiplying any number with 1, the answer will be that number itself. वही number answer होगा जिससे हम multiply कर रहे हैं. 15 ones are 15. 8175, 8175 multiplied by 1 will be, answer will be 8175 only. So whatever number we are multiplying with 1, the answer will be the number itself. Okay. Next one is, it is the very important property, which is when 2 or more numbers are multiplied, a change in the order of the numbers to be multiplied does not change the product. Abhi you are not getting it by the language, but the language is very simple. Let's understand it by example. If we are multiplying 2 numbers, for example 5 into 2, right? We are multiplying it. If we change their order, agar मैं इसको लिख दूँ 2 into 5, the product, the answer will remain same. 5 2s are 10 and 2 5s also 10, right? So if I write 5 into 2 like 2 into 5, there is no change in the order in the product, right? Product will remain the same. Similarly, 8 into 5, 8 5s are 40, and if I write it 5 into 8, it will remain 40. 8 5s also 40. So these are the three properties of multiplication. Let's do some more question of multiplication with one digit number. Okay, then we'll proceed on to next. Our first question is 468 by 8. So first of all, we'll write it separately. 4, 6, 8. There should be proper gap between the two digits. By 8. We have to multiply it by 8. Okay. So we all know 8 8s are 64. So which is in the ones place? This. So we'll write this down. And 6 will go on the head of 6. Right? We will add 6. Now 8 6 are 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 6. Now you have to add 48 plus 6. It will be what? What it will be? 4 1 5. It will be 54. Again 4 will come here ones place and 5 will again go on the head of 4. Then 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 5, let me do it here. 32 plus 5, it will be 37. But as we can see, we have written 7 here. Where to write 3? Is there any number on whose head we can write 3? No, so we'll write 3 also here. So this will be our answer. Okay, let's have one more quickly. So next one is 1735 by 5. We'll write it here. 1735. Make sure that you are writing it by giving particular space, sufficient space between both the numbers. Okay, now 5 5s are 25. 5 ones place we'll write here, 10s place we'll write on the head. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 7 here, 1 there. Okay, 7 5s are 35 plus 1, 36. 6 we'll write here and 3 we'll write here. Right, now 5 1s are 5, 6 7 and 8. So this will be our answer. Okay, so you have to practice it by giving the worksheet and you have to submit it back to me, because जितना ज़्यादा आप practice करोगे उतना ज़्यादा it will be clear to you. Okay, so meet you in the next class. Bye bye.